Hello, I'm Harvey. In this session, we will guide you through the process of arranging appointments and demonstrate how quick and straightforward it is to generate invoices, quotes, attach forms and certificates. Additionally, we'll show you how to effortlessly schedule a customer for their next service during a pre-scheduled appointment using the app. To schedule an appointment, start by clicking on the calendar icon at the bottom of the screen. From there, choose the date and time for the appointment. But first, let's show you how they all will appear before you choose. A customer appointment is a standard booking, and for this type, your customer will receive an email confirmation, a reminder email, and a text reminder 24 hours prior to their appointment. This will appear as dark blue in your calendar. The second type is a tentative appointment. With a tentative appointment, you have the flexibility to reschedule it as needed, and your customer won't receive any email notifications. Only when you convert from a tentative to a customer appointment will the customer receive an email confirmation, a reminder email, and a text reminder 24 hours prior to their appointment. Tentative appointments are marked with a yellow color. The next appointment type is personal. This category is useful for marking personal events like holidays or any other non-work related appointments. When scheduling a personal appointment, you can add notes that will be visible on your calendar. This will appear as purple. With a quotation appointment type, you can create and issue a quote to your customer. This will appear as a beige color. The installation appointment type enables you to schedule an installation for a selected customer. It provides the option to add an appliance directly from the calendar. You can click the Form button to add a new form or certificate, or click the Note button to add a new note. Click the Image button to add a new image. This type of appointment will be displayed in a dark green color on your calendar. A service appointment type allows you to specify the service you'll be performing, such as a chimney sweep, for instance. This type of appointment will be represented in a light blue color on the calendar. Now that you understand the calendar, let's continue with the video. For our example, we will be creating a service appointment. Select the customer for whom you are scheduling the appointment from the drop-down menu. In the appointment type drop-down, you can choose the type of appointment, which will be displayed in a distinct color on the calendar. If you need to make changes to the date and time, you can do so using the drop-down menus. Now, select the user who will be attending the appointment. The user will default to whoever is logged in. If there are any additional notes that could be helpful for the attending user, you can add them here. It's important to note that these notes will not be visible to the customer. If there are no appliance details already filled in for the customer, you can add them either during the appointment or when booking. If you wish to send the customer an appointment confirmation email, make sure the box is checked. Finally, once you've completed the details, click Save. In the top left corner of the calendar view, you'll notice a line of 3 dots. Clicking on this will allow you to view booked appointments for all users or filter them by selecting a specific user. Let's click into a booked appointment and see what actions we can take from here. If this is a customer who hasn't had an appliance location added, click the Add Appliance Location button and fill it in as we demonstrated in the previous video. You'll need to add an appliance location to proceed further, but you can also do this at the time of the appointment. Please note that you will need to synchronize the data and go back to the appointment if you choose to do it this way. If you need to edit the appliance details, simply click the green pencil icon. To add additional services to your invoice, click the green plus sign and add the service or any new additional services. Just as we showed you previously, you can add a form, notes, or images here. Notes and images will be stored with the appliance record for future bookings and will not be visible to the customer. You can also click the Resend Reminder button to resend the appointment booking details. Before generating an invoice, we suggest scheduling the next appointment. Click on Schedule Next Appointment and specify the number of months. This will adjust the calendar accordingly. Choose a suitable day and time for both you and your customer. Then click Save. You'll then return to the appointment screen, ready to proceed to view the invoice. Click the Invoice Preview button to preview the invoice. From here, you can add any additional email addresses to receive the invoice. Any notes or images to be included on the invoice can be added here. You can save it as a draft invoice to edit later, or click the Edit button to add any additional services or proceed to payment. If you want to delete a booked appointment, click into the appointment and go to the bottom. Then, click the Delete button. You will have the option to tick the box to notify your customer of the cancellation. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we'll provide you with tips on how to create your own forms and certificates using the Form Builder.